Hi friends, according to market capitalization, SEBI classified public limited companies into three categories: large cap category, mid cap category, small cap category. First 100 companies with the highest market capitalization come under large cap category. These companies are well established, reputed and had been in the market for a long period. They are the branded companies and most of the Indians use their products daily. These companies are generally the leaders in their field of business. The shares which are sold by these companies are known as blue chip stocks. Second one, mid cap category. Mid cap companies are those which are ranked between 101 to 250 in the list of companies according to market capitalization. Third one is small cap category. These are young and smaller sized companies. 251 and above placed companies based on market capitalization come under this category. Now come to our present topic. Based on market capitalization, equity mutual funds are classified into 5 types. First one, large cap equity mutual fund. Second one, mid cap equity mutual fund. Third, small cap equity mutual fund. Fourth one, large and mid cap equity mutual fund. And fifth one is multi cap equity mutual fund. If you observe first 3 funds, each fund has its own advantages and disadvantages. Suppose take large cap equity mutual funds. They are least riskier and provide stable returns. However, they underperform in bullish market. When market is high, mid cap equity mutual funds tend to offer better results than large cap equity mutual funds. But risk is moderate. Comparing to large cap, in mid cap equity mutual fund risk is more. Small cap equity mutual funds have potential for generating more returns, but they suffer losses in bearish market. So as an investor, before investing, you should observe 2 points. One is how much risk you can bear. Second one, how much returns you are expecting. If you are a conservative investor, if you want stability in your income, then large cap equity mutual funds are ideal for you. If you are expecting more returns, if you have risk tolerance, then you have to opt for either mid cap or small cap equity mutual funds. But what if you want a combination of these two? You want to take less risk, but you are expecting aggressive returns. In that scenario, multi-cap equity mutual funds step in. By investing in these funds, you can get the advantage of these 3 funds. Let us know some important points regarding these funds. First point is multi-cap equity mutual funds are also known as diversified equity mutual funds, because when investor invests in these funds, the fund manager of AMC can design a diversified portfolio which comprises large cap, mid cap and small cap stocks. If you invest in pure large cap equity mutual fund, the fund manager has to create a portfolio with only large cap stocks. If you invest in small cap equity mutual fund, then your portfolio contains only small cap company stocks. But the facility in these funds is your portfolio contains large cap, mid cap and small cap company stocks. This is called diversity in portfolio. And second point is these funds are also known as flexi cap equity mutual funds, because multi-cap equity mutual funds offer flexibility. Means what? The fund manager can switch between the stocks according to market trends. When market is favorable, fund manager purchases more stocks of mid cap and small cap companies. And when market is low, he can play safe by moving the funds from mid cap and small cap stocks to large cap stocks. Thus, by continuously modifying this portfolio, fund manager tries to grab best from these funds. So, when investor invests in these funds, during positive market movements, he can reap the benefits, and when market slumps, he can reduce the risk. Next point is riskier than pure large cap equity mutual fund. If you invest in large cap equity mutual fund, you can see a stability in your returns because risk is less. But these funds consist mid cap and small cap stocks also, and these two stocks are risky because they are more volatile. As a fund portfolio comprises these two stocks, comparing to pure large cap equity mutual fund, multi cap equity mutual fund is riskier. Then next point is they offer lesser returns than pure mid cap and small cap stocks. Take a pure mid cap stock or pure small cap stock. As risk is more, returns are also more. Investor can see aggressive growth in these two funds. But as this mutual fund contains large cap company stocks also, you cannot expect more returns than a pure mid cap or a pure small cap equity mutual fund. Then the last point is these funds are suitable for whom? To new investor, these are ideal funds because he doesn't have the knowledge of advantages and disadvantages of a pure large cap equity mutual fund or a pure mid cap or a pure small cap. So it is advisable to invest in multi cap equity mutual funds so that slowly he will understand the market movements and the returns and the risk factors in these three funds according to market trends. Then the second point is these funds are suitable to the investors who don't want to take much risk. If you want to balance your risk and returns, if you cannot tolerate more risk and when you are expecting moderate returns, then you have to go with these funds. And remember, these funds can give better returns to you over any time. So as an investor, you can invest for 3 years, 5 years or even more than 7 years. So this is all about multi-cap equity mutual funds. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you.